Question 4. We have a common primrose, and there's two characteristics, and the anther position and the style position. Plants pure breeding. What does pure breeding? Pure breeding means homozygous. So if you ever see that, it just means homozygous. And for long and low. So pure breeding for long and low, that's you're looking at long and low. So dominant homozygous. So they are going to be so long and low, 2 T's, big T's and 2 big A's. We're crossed with plants that were homozygous again, so pure breeding or homozygous recessive for both. That's going to be little t's and little a's. So little t's and little a's. And conventions are that we put the t's together and we put the a's together. Gametes from these, then we can only have a big T and a little a. And we can only have a little t and a little a. So rules for gametes, they must contain one copy of each characteristic. So they've got one allele rather than the parents that have got 2 alleles. And then when you put these together, you don't really need to draw a Punnett square, you're just adding these up. These are big T and little t, big A and little a. So if you put these two together, that's what you get. And they said the F1, so the first filial generation, and they're going to be crossed together. So same again. So pretty standard so far. And you know this anyway, but when it says all the F1 flowers produced had low and long. So low, of course, because that's a dominant, and long, that's a dominant there. So that makes sense. Now you need the gametes for these. These gametes are going to be the same on each side. We need to follow the rules for gametes again. They need to have a T and an A, but which T and which A? Well, it could be either. So big T, big A, big T, little a, and then little t, big A, little t, little a. So all 4 possible gametes. So same again. And then we are into our Punnett square. So Punnett squares are all the same. We're going to put our 4 gametes across there and down there. And so divide that by 2. So this doesn't need to be very neat. And yeah, we male and female. We are putting our gametes across. I'm just copying these across like that, so it's just our dihybrid cross. The same gametes down here. And then just filling it, just adding them up. So try and follow the conventions of placing the same letters together and putting the big letter first, and it helps. And these are all going to be A, and that was going to be little a, that was going to be big A, that was going to be little a, and so on. So those are all going to have big T, then big T, little t, These are all going to have little a. It's going to have big A, little a, big A, little a. These are all going to have little t. So we can have big T, little t, little t. These are all going to have big A, little a, big A, little a. These are all going to have little t. Big T, little t, little t. All going to have little a. It's going to have big A, little a, big A, little a. And what you need to do now is just come up with the we've done the genotypes and just link the phenotypes. So anything with a big T is going to be long. So anything with a big T is going to be long. So we could just get a different colour. So long, let's have L for long. So that's going to be long, 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 long. Anything with a big T is going to be long. Little t's, so that's going to be short. That's going to be short, long, long, short, short. Okay, and then with the low and the high, well, low is a capital, so low anther. That's low. Anything with a capital A. Anything with a capital A. So this is high. That's low. That's high. That's low. 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 High. Low. High. And so now we've got how many long and lows? We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 long and lows. So, and then how many of our long and high? We've got 1, 2, 3. How many of our short and short and low? 1, 2, 3, and then homozygous recessive for both is our short and high. So that's our 9 to 3 to 3 to 1, and you just need to write these out now. So the F2 phenotypes are long style, so long style, low anther. It doesn't give you any much space to do that. So then we've got long style high anther, long style high anther, short style low anther, and then we've got the recessive for both, short style high anther. If we were linking the F2 genotypes for these, so if I sort of did that and make it a bit clearer, we have got homozygous dominant, then each way big T, little t, and then big A's. We could have heterozygous for both, or the last one we could have I think that's it. Long style high anther, it's got to have two little a's, but the t's, it can be either homozygous or heterozygous. Then the other way around for short, it's got to have little t's, but then it could be either of our alternatives there. And there's only one possibility for short and high, which is little t's and little a's. And the ratio there, 9 to 3 to 3 to 1. So our dihybrid cross.